YouTube, what it do? You are now rocking with your favorite online fitness coach, Coach Perk from athleticallybuilt.com, where we help you to become athletically built within 12 weeks. And I'm coming back at you with another video. And today's topic is the truth about how to gain muscle mass. So lock in, stay tuned, and I'll see you on the other side. When it comes to putting on more muscle mass, there are a lot of things that you may hear that can be misleading and flat out untruthful. So I've dedicated today's video to give you the truth about how to build muscle mass. So let's dive in. The first thing that you need to know is that you need to get the proper amount of protein in your diet. And as a starting point, you should get 1 gram of protein per every pound of lean body mass. So if you're 175 pounds, you should get 175 grams of protein in your diet. And this protein should come from whole, less processed foods. But for whatever reason, if you're not able to get it from your foods, you can also use a protein powder as a supplement. Next, you should focus on training frequency and volume. Anyone looking to gain muscle mass as fast as possible in the shortest amount of time possible will best benefit from training each muscle group twice per week and increasing the weight lifted every week to bust through any strength plateaus that you might have. There you have it, guys. Building muscle mass is not that hard. Just keep it as simple as possible and the results will come. As always, leave a comment down below. Let me know what your biggest takeaway is from this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.